okay.
I don't know what it is. It might be a trout that's shaking on my face.
Yeah, maybe a nice trout.
Or a big snapper. Jack.
Oh, it's a jack, dude. That's Jewfish candy. We're gonna catch a Goliath. Good job. Oh, shoot. Nice fish. Dude, we doubled up, boy. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Oh, they're good fish. Woo! Oh, shoot, what is it? Yours is a jack?
Jack.
I think mine's a jack, too. Yeah, it's a jack. Oh, nice.
Hunter, cast over here.
Oh, dude, we both got nailed at the same time. Oh, nice.
Cool, Jack, come over here.
Woo!
Nice.
Mine's pretty big. Oh, come on. Come on, open up. Yeah. There we go. Nice jack here. We're gonna use him for Goliath. Awesome. Darren's getting Goliath on right now. Here, we have to get on. Oh, shoot. Oh, dude, he's got it. Dude, he's under that. He's gonna. Come on, get on the boat. Come on. Here. Just jump on. Here. He probably still has it, Tanner. Does he?
Yeah, he's got it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Can I play it?
Yeah, go. Okay.
Just hold on, Tanner, hold on. Ben, help him.
Oh, shoot. Oh, we got a Jewfish.
Nice.
Oh. Dude, that's just a small one, but it fought so hard.
Yeah, I know. Imagine 200 pounds.
Okay.
That's how we do it.
Woo!
I got it.
Okay.
That's how we do it.
There we go.
Bring him up to the beach. Get back and hold it. That's small.
Yeah, but it's a good one. Dude, that was like in 2 seconds. Instant, dude.
Hell yeah. Because it's a jack.
Yeah.
Keep him away from the
Oh, he's hooked perfect.
Here, let me see him.
He's
How about we
hooked in the
just take
corner.
photos on the phone?
Yeah, let's bring him up.
He's a small one.